Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a quick but honest look at the Tecno Spark 40, this phone right here. Is it a solid budget phone or are there deal-breaking downsides? Let's find out. The Spark 40 comes with a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display. It supports a 90 to 120 Hz refresh rate and can reach up to 120 nits of brightness during the day. It looks great indoors and even holds up well outdoors under sunlight. For the price of this phone, the screen is a major highlight. So under the hood, you get a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 or a Helio G series chip. For this model, it's a Helio G series chip, that's the G8i. So depending on your region, this is Nigeria, so this is the G8i. It's paired with a 4, 6 or 8 gig of RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. So this particular model comes in two variants. You either get the 4 gig RAM with a 128 gig internal storage, which is expandable by an extra 4 gig RAM, which will make it 8 gig RAM. Or you get the 6 gig RAM with 128 gig internal storage. So the 6 gig RAM is also expandable by an extra 6 gig RAM, making it 12 gig RAM. Tecno Spark 40 handles basic tasks very well, like social media, video streaming, and casual games, not heavy games. But if you push it hard with multitasking or heavy games, you notice that it's going to slow down, so eventually slow down, especially with the 4 gig version. So if you want to play something a little bit heavy, you can go with the other versions like the 6 and 8 gig version. On the back, you've got a 50 or 64 megapixel main camera. It takes good daylight photos and decent portraits. The selfie camera is 13 megapixels and even includes a front flash. Video tops out at 1440p, but there is no stabilization and low light photos aren't very great. Battery life is a strong point. With a 5000 to 5500 mAh battery, you can easily get a full day and sometimes more. Charging is either 18 watts or 33 watts depending on the model. Not blazing fast, but is actually very reliable. The battery life on this particular model is about 5200 mAh. So the battery life is one of the strongest points of the Tecno Spark 40. It comes with different charging size or models, but this particular model comes with the 45 watts super fast charging, which allows you to charge once and use your phone for the whole day. This particular model runs on the Android 15 OS, which is the latest Android OS. It comes with Tecno's HiOS skin on top as well. This is where things get a little bit tricky. HiOS is feature packed, but also comes with bloatware, ads, and occasional lag. You can improve things by disabling some apps or using a third-party launcher, but it won't be as clean as stock Android. So some other features on this phone is that it has stereo speakers. It comes with infrared remote control, which allows you to use your smartphone as a remote control for your TV, your air conditioner, and any other smart device in your home. It also comes with a headphone jack, fingerprint scanner by the side, which doubles as a power button. It also comes with a micro SD support and a headphone jack. All of these extra packs for the price that it comes with, which is very, very affordable. The Tecno Spark 40 sells from 143,000 naira. It has good daylight camera performance, it has a longer battery life, great display for the price. It also has useful extras like stereo sound and SD card slots. So some recent phones do not come with an SD card slot. So in case you're big on more storage, you can go for the Tecno Spark 40. And lastly, it's very, very affordable. I also forgot to mention that the Tecno Spark 40 comes with IP64 water and dust resistant. What this means is that you can take some splash of water and nothing will go wrong, but it doesn't mean you should dip this into the water. You lose your phone. So if you would love to get the Tecno Spark 40, you can visit the website showing on your screen or visit www.youandyou.com.ng. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.